Every drop remembers pain, and every shadow knows his name. The city hums, he hums along, where right and wrong sound like one song. And in the rain's unending rhyme, he hides the weight of borrowed time. Raise your glass, my friend, to what we tried to mend, to every love that couldn't stay, and every crime that fades away. The whiskey knows, the rain agrees, no peace comes free, no heart walks clean. He walks the line, slow and neat, with thunder rolling under his feet. A king with no throne, a saint with no prayer, but damn, he still keeps that tailored flair. He leaves the bar coat in rain, one hand cold, one hand stained. Streetlight flickers, he tips his hat, and the city forgets just like that.